Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic I know so many of you are passionate about. Growing those luscious locks. I've got 20 proven tips that are basically like magic for your hair. We're talking about everything from the products you use to the foods you eat and even some lifestyle changes that can make a world of difference. Seriously, if Rapunzel knew about these, she wouldn't have needed a prince to climb up to her tower. So if you're ready to unleash your inner hair goddess, keep watching. Now, this first tip is a little techie, but trust me on this. Laser hair growth therapy can be a game changer. You are what you eat, right? Well, that goes for your hair too. Time to load up on protein. This one is my personal fave. A relaxing scalp massage not only feels amazing, but can also boost hair growth. Chapter 4. Supplement your way to longer hair. Supplements can give your hair that extra boost, but remember, always chat with your doctor first. Chapter 5. Sulfates, no thank you. Choosing the right shampoo is key, and ditching those harsh sulfates is a must for healthy hair growth. Chapter 6. Cool it on the heat styling. Put down the heat tools, beauties. I know it's hard, but too much heat can really damage those precious strands. Chapter 7. Trim those split ends. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular trims are your secret weapon for longer, healthier hair. Chapter 8. Hydration is key. Drink up, buttercup. Water is essential for overall health, and that includes your hair. Chapter 9. Loosen up those hairstyles. We've all been there, that tight ponytail that looks chic but can wreak havoc on your hair. Time to loosen up. Chapter 10. Sleep your way to longer hair. Indulge in a little beauty sleep on a silk pillowcase. It's like a spa treatment for your hair while you snooze. Chapter 11. Chemical overload. Not today. Give your hair a break from harsh chemicals like those found in color treatments and perms. Chapter 12. Eat the rainbow for healthy hair. A balanced diet is like a superfood smoothie for your hair. Load up on those fruits, veggies, and healthy fats. Essential oils like rosemary and peppermint aren't just for aromatherapy. They can work wonders for hair growth. We all know stress is a total buzzkill, and it can actually contribute to hair loss. Time to find your zen. Washing your hair every single day can strip away those natural oils that keep it healthy. Chapter 16. Wide tooth comb is your BFF. Ditch those brushes that cause breakage and embrace the gentle, detangling power of a wide tooth comb. Chapter 17. Sun protection for your hair. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from those harmful UV rays. Chapter 18. Wet hair, don't care to brush. Brushing wet hair is a recipe for breakage. Let those locks air dry a bit before you even think about brushing. Chapter 19. Deep condition for deep hydration. Treat your hair to a luxurious deep conditioning treatment. It's like a tall drink of water for thirsty strands. Chapter 20. Sleep your way to longer hair, Part 2. Beauty sleep is real, you guys. Make sure you're getting enough shut-eye for optimal hair growth. And there you have it, 20 proven tips to help you grow your hair longer and stronger. I'm so excited for you to try these out and see the amazing results for yourself. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair growth, so be patient and kind to your hair. Now go forth and unleash your inner Rapunzel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you next time.